It's like a heart transplant.
Keep running. Hey, don't blow it out. Easy now.
Not yet, at least. Today is the day.
We're gonna have to take the head unit out of this thing, man.
It's all yours if you want it, buddy.
Hey, you start nailing this?
And the 6x9.
Oh, look what you did. What's up, guys? Today is a very special video. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
You know, people brag about these Crown Vics, but have you ever ran through a puddle one day?
And sucked up popcorn?
Or maple syrup? Because I have, and it didn't go good. So we're gonna see if a Crown Victoria, or whatever this one is,
That's a Grand Marquis, but yeah.
can really
who's
handle
counting?
a real, true street test.
We've got a number of different things we want to see if it survives. The funny thing about this, though, is that this has come full circle. So, guys, we actually did this way back when we intentionally blew up our S10. You guys got to check out that video. I'm going to put a link in the description below. But that was so much fun. We threw a bunch of stuff down through there and some popcorn and some peanuts, which this is a survivor from that very test, which Laz just pulled out. I'm super proud of you.
Jeremy keeps everything.
Some whiskey.
Yeah, we did throw it. I don't want to waste good. We don't even have any whiskey. But next best thing, we have some beer, so we're going to try and do some stuff with that too.
Summer
But
ale. No one's gonna drink that. Besides you.
listen here. Right. We got the S10, of which is a major part of our channel. It's right up there, all-wheel drive twin turbo S10. And we obtained that car from a guy named Squirrel. He's definitely a character. And lo and behold, we haven't even put the video out yet, but we obtained this car also from Squirrel. It's like the circle of life, you know,
Okay.
and death, for that matter.
And death.
Yeah.
It's a nice ride.
He does, and some rough ones. Marshmallows are good. I hate that the Crown Vic gets most of them.
All right, we can have some of the ham too if you want. And
Ham and marshmallows? My favorite.
you can try it.
Street test. If you hit a pig and it goes in the intake a little bit,
I want to
We're
see if
gonna
we
find
get
out what
a,
happens.
you know, I want to see if we get a good fry on that.
Yeah, like on the refrigerator.
I'm really curious as to
it's gonna be
what
like
is going to
bologna.
go. I've always wanted to know if you can make bubbles. We obtained this car for next to nothing. These things are like tanks. They just will take absolutely whatever you want to throw at them.
take a look and keep on
Say
taking.
throw at him. Are we ready?
Oh, man. Oh, Laz has got, oh, we got some more stuff too.
We're
Oh, man, we're already making a mess here. I just cleaned the floor, Laz.
What's going on over there? Got an Orby in my mouth.
Ew. That doesn't sound right.
Oh man.
What did it taste like?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Well, I think we should establish a baseline. We'll figure out where we're at power-wise just cuz.
Flip that upside down. He's like funnel.
Yeah, we're good. All right, let's get this thing ripping, brothers. After some absolutely brilliant brainstorming here, we have a couple late additions to the party here. All right, got an airsoft pew pew and it's a little water pellets. Now, I'm especially interested in this.
Put
If
your
we
finger
can
off the-
feed this guy in there and see what happens, if it'll actually suck the toilet paper off the roll.
Don't worry, we're not wasting coronavirus toilet paper. This is from last year.
Okay, and yeah, we're not cotton ball. No, we're not doing cotton balls. Oh, this was it right here. So we have some of our porting mix. That almost sounds like trail mix, you know, but it's
a little more crunchy.
Yeah, definitely more crunchy. Don't want to eat that. So this is pretty much the leftovers of after porting heads, intake manifolds,
Yeah.
throttle bodies, whatever.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
It's a soft metal. It's a forgiving one.
We'll see how forgiving it is. Full pull, bone stock minus the cats, and the air filter.
Last time we had this thing out, dude, it was running on like 4 cylinders, but
Now it
sounds
seems
great today.
Yeah, at least 7. What's this old girl's name? How about Camelicious? Yeah, awful. Exactly, matches the car.
Good.
Oh, I like it. Woo, listen to that baby purr.
George just ate so many of them freaking mushrooms, marshmallows, dude, we're not gonna have any left. All right, here we go. Awesome in here. It really smells like the best campfire ever.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dude, it really
smells like roasted marshmallow.
It smells so good in here.
I kept getting stuck in this little tube and I wouldn't rev.
Let's try some Jell-O off a vacuum line though. I'm kind of curious.
It'll squeeze in there. There's always room for Jell-O.
Bro, you're a commercial. God, he's such a commercial. One Jell-O at a time, all right?
Here, give us some water. Oh, it smells so good.
Alright, I bet it'll do it in 5 seconds. Ready? And go! Oh, move your hand, Oh, that's close, that's close.
Dude, this thing loves Jell-O. It's nice and cold from the cold Jell-O. Not that bad though. It kind of sounds like Jell-O.
Alright, I think,
Here we go.
high RPM. More RPM. Oh. Keep going, no.
Cover it.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, it smells bad. Oh no! Oh no! It smells so bad. It burns a little bit. Still purrs like a kitten though.
Well, it didn't hide for long. So.
Yeah. I saw no bubbles.
Probably just cleared all the carbon out of it, that's all.
Kind of burns my eyes right now.
Yeah, it does. It definitely does. That's gotta be toxic.
Alright, we're gonna stop for a second.
Take a breather. Literally. Wow, this thing only has 82,000 miles. And it shows. Popcorn!
There, or do you want to do it to that side too? I think you want to put it through here.
With the funnel or without the funnel?
No funnel. You don't need the funnel.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Dang it.
All right, fire back up again. Yes.
Are they in there still?
No.
I got no... Uh-oh. I got nothing.
But
No way.
There's no way, dude.
that ignition key was doing weird stuff before.
All the lights are on, but it's, oh wait. Put it in park. Whoops.
Just missing a little compression, it sounds like. It'll work it out.
That starter sounds not brand new.
That's a brand new starter.
Are you sure there's nothing in the mass air?
I bet we got like, it sounds like we're hung up in the valves.
Yeah.
Come on, sad thing.
Come on, baby.
Come on! Starter fluid.
Oh, it's on fire! Dude, it's on fire in there.
It's on fire in there?
It's on fire in there.
We lost that one.
Yes. Hit it. I'm not stopping.
Oh. Alright. Starting to smoke the starter in the back.
One more try.
Kind of joking.
Dude, what's going on? It is toasted.
We only made it through like a quarter of this, not even. See, I don't know what's popcorn and what's marshmallow. Marshmallow, yeah. Oh, you had a chance right here. No compression. So I wonder if we got bent valves because of the kernels, or if we got the valves are hanging open because of the kernels.
I feel like kernel's stuck on us.
Yeah, I don't know. But we got no compression. No way.
That was not cool enough.
No, it's not cool enough.
Round two.
We need another Crown Vic. Stat.
All right, well, the moral of the story is never underestimate popcorn.
Not even a half bottle.
It wasn't, yeah. Hey, you just, go ahead.
Told Jeremy 10
whole-
times.
Tell him, George.
Come here, let's just show him. We can show you better than we can tell you. So what that happened was the marshmallows got sucked into our little mass air here, right? And that's what was stalling it down when we were doing the marshmallow test. So we were like, man, we got to put the funnels in there for the popcorn seeds. Jeremy's like, nah, it'll be fine. Popcorn seeds sucked up.
You heard it
Killed it. Stumbled, dude. If it would have been wide open, it would have popcorn.
All right,
But now it's pop forward.
sorry, guys.
Maybe the next one. We get to use the funnel.
We're gonna find out. Hey, at least we got an intake now.
All right, guys, so right here, we thought that we blew up the Crown Vic. I mean, we had no compression, and so we went to another Crown Vic that we had as a backup just in case anything went wrong. So we actually had so much footage that we're going to have a sequel on this. So if you guys enjoyed what you've seen so far, please hit that like button and subscribe. We've got a whole bunch of crazy rowdy stuff coming at you. Let us know that you want to see that sequel. We showed a lot of stuff initially on the video that we didn't get to do, and we actually did it on the other car. So Laz miraculously revives this thing, and I can't believe you got it back up and running. No way! Oh my gosh, dude, unbelievable! I'm telling you, these things are beasts.
George, bring your toilet paper.
Runs better than it did before.
Oh man. quick little safety measure here. And that sounds ironic, I guess, when I say it out loud. We're just gonna take a break for a second, let that thing cool down. I would never expected the power steering of all things. That was pretty awesome to watch it sucking the peanuts from far away.
Dude, that's what you call smoked nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh my god.
Toilet paper confetti.
Oh.
It didn't even really like.
Dude, that is
Dude, ready to rip.
unbelievable, man.
You know what this means? There's only one thing left. Metal shavings.
It needs to shotgun a beer though, too.
That's a good idea. This is 12 ounces and then some. Oh, Camelicious, dude.
That didn't work.
Didn't break.
Well, that was so weird. The PCV was like really high. It's like puffing.
Well, if it is.
Come on! This thing has survived it all.
That smells great.
It is pure fireball shooting out.
Time for a
We
sample.
got this.
We had to let Ben experience the marshmallow smell.
This is for squirrel.
This is for pour a little nuts out for my squirrel homies.
Oh man.
Can't kill a Crown Vic.
Do the popcorn without the math.
Huh?
Since we're not running the math anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it.
Dude. Open it. Burns like a kid. Fan just now kicked off.
I do have to check in the line.
That's probably nothing.
Alright.
I can't believe this hasn't died
literally don't believe this.
Hello?
This is wild.
Oh, all right, yeah, I'm on my way. Guys, I'd love to help you clean, but I gotta run.
Hey,
My dog licked
hey, you're
the
not
toad.
going anywhere.
You dog got COVID?
My dog licked the toad. My dog got COVID.
I cannot believe that this thing still is going. I
How
mean,
are we gonna finish them off?
we're gonna have to think of something else, but I mean,
That was all of our brain power.
I've used it all.
Nuts and bolts is just too easy, but it might just eat them right up.
I was thinking about dimes earlier, but I was like, yeah, that's probably just.
That'd be too expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive. I think the ham was like $6. Yeah.
Dude, a whole cup of metal.
Gosh, a whole thing of peanuts. We got a whole thing of popcorn,
Marshmallows,
2 beers,
and the bag.
syrup.
A solo cup.
Yeah, solo company, and a partridge in a pear tree.
I mean, come on. Well, we're gonna have to try.
I think
trash
this should
bags.
live to fight another day, and I think we should still do something really dumb with them.
I mean, we have no choice now. He's earned it. We should jump it
We should jump it.
into the ocean.
I think that's
How about we just settle for like,
A pond.
yeah, maybe like the drainage ditch or something?
FWC might help. Can it still do a burnout?
They
It
did
never
one
could.
before.
That one, however, could though. Well, guys, I can't believe we didn't succeed at this. I mean, we did give it our all. I mean, other than, you know, but it gave a fighting chance back, and I respect that. So I think we're gonna let them live.
One time we want to break something.
Yeah. It's weird how that works.
I'm about to feed this thing the shirt off my back, but I don't want everybody to see me with no shirt on.
Yeah, that's a good shirt though.
I'm self-conscious. And this is my favorite shirt, yeah.
All right, fellas, so in the end of these episodes, I usually will recommend a song for you guys as well as a quote. I think we should call this thing The Rooster because we just can't seem to kill it. Hope you guys enjoy The Rooster by Alice in Chains. Quite often I get caught up chasing the things of the world, and your purpose is more than your job and more than what you possess and more than what's in your bank account. You are loved, valued, and known intimately by God, and He has an outstretched arm, and I don't have to do anything except accept His open invitation. Just thought somebody might want to hear that, and it's often a little trap that I kind of find myself in. God bless you guys. See you next episode.